Welcome to Dave Arbogast, your exclusive SCA Performance dealer. We have over 50 new and used lifted trucks ready for delivery. Let's take a look. This is a 2019 Ford Ranger XLT Black Widow lifted truck from SCA Performance. Unique styling and premium quality badging available exclusively through SCA Black Widow. This vehicle is FMVSS, or Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards compliant. From the luxury, comfort, and convenience features to the impressive functionality and capability standards, there are endless reasons to fall in love with your very own SCA Black Widow lifted truck. Under the hood of this 4x4, you have a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with auto stop start technology and a 10-speed transmission. The exterior color is Oxford white and the interior is handcrafted ebony leather. This 4-door Super Crew Cab body style includes an electronic locking differential, a 5-foot bed, and a fully boxed steel frame. Some exterior features include auto-sensing high-beam headlamps, black grille with magnetic surround, exposed front bumper tow hooks, and fog lights. Includes a 5-inch suspension lift kit from SCA Performance, bolt-on style fender flares, premium quality black exterior badging, Black Widow hood scoop. Comes with a front anti-roll bar, 4-wheel disc brake system, and ABS, or anti-lock brake system. A front wheel independent suspension, custom 18-inch black and machined wheels with 33-inch BF Goodrich K02 tires. Exclusive Ranger rock rails with SCA engraved side steps. Easy fuel capless filler and an 18-gallon fuel tank. Equipped with the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, an off-road tune suspension, and an off-road screen in the driver informational display. A removable power tailgate with power release and tailgate lock. A Class 4 hitch receiver with trailer tow package, and trailer sway control with power folding mirrors. Speed sensing steering, which tightens the steering column when traveling at high rates of speed, for added control and faster reaction time if evasive maneuvers are needed. Includes a forward sensing system for follow distance indicator and pre-collision assist with active emergency braking. Leather heated front seats with custom stitched Black Widow headrests and an 8-inch touchscreen with Sync 3 technology and Ford Pass Connect. Includes Bluetooth connectability and a full screen HD backup camera with hitch view and guidance. And a remote start system. Simply press the lock button and then press the remote start button, which is the 2X button in the middle of the key fob, and the vehicle starts right up. Don't hesitate today. Call us at 888-919-1635 to schedule your VIP test drive and find out why Dave Arbogast is driven to satisfaction.